Hello students, I'm Mrs. Chance. I am one of the 7th grade math teachers at the Rolla Junior High. You might also have as a math teacher Mrs. Dent or Dr. Green. And in 7th grade, I'll just go over a few topics that you will learn. I will say that some of the topics are a review from 6th grade. Some of the topics that you will learn in 7th grade math is algebraic expressions, integer operations, rational numbers, fractions and decimal operations, ratio, rates, and proportions. We'll cover the coordinate plane. We'll do proportional relationships. We will also cover applications of percents, data displays, lines, angles, congruent figures, perimeter, circumference, area, volume, and surface area for geometry, three-dimensional figures, probability, and multi-step equations and inequalities, just to name a few. I will say in 7th grade, you do get to use calculators with a few stipulations that you'll learn about when you join our class. We do offer Math Lab, so if you need help on any of the assignments or redoing assignments, you can stay with a math teacher before school or after school during Math Lab. We really look forward to having you over at the junior high and look forward to seeing you in math.